So let's go ahead and kick off the system test today by pulling the fire alarm. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's a lot harder to pull than I thought. Alright, it's almost broken. Here we go. Jeez. What kind of stick did I choose? There we go. Please work. Well, the panel turned on. The batteries are in. Oh, it's just not in all the way. Okay, well, take 2. I honestly did not think that that stick would make that pull station so hard to pull. That was probably the hardest pull station I've ever tried to pull.